truck beds are extremely versatile when it comes to hauling in excess of different things. From bike to dirt to furniture, it's hard to beat the carrying magnitude of pickups. However, the simple truck bed design isn't stable enough to haul loose items unattended. This is where a basic truck bed cover is convenient for keeping things secure and giving you peace of mind. While some almighty truck covers are very difficult to install or use, a basic roll-up truck bed cover is one of the best ways to secure the truck bed without much difficulty in setup or operation. We listed the top 5 best roll-up tonneau covers and their key features, plus the things to consider to help you choose the best one. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Gator EXT Soft Roll-Up. This one is manufactured to fit a 2014 through 2019 GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado 1500 with a 6-foot, 6-inch bed. If this isn't your truck, Gator also makes covers in other sizes too, and you are certain to find a cover that will fit your truck. This one's made in the USA. This one has an inside mount design with a tension control mechanism to keep the cover pulled taut. You'll love the low-profile design of this cover as well. It's really easy and fast to open and close. If you open it all the way, you can have access to 100% of the bed. It comes with heavy-duty fasteners and industrial-strength leather-grain vinyl and a polished appearance. Unfortunately, this cover has limited consistency, so it may not fit your particular truck. The material is also vinyl, which isn't as secure as a hard cover. The rails for this cover can warp, which makes them unusable. The latches are only on one side of the cover, so it isn't totally secure and can burst off the rail. You'll also notice that the thread may crack. Number 4. Tyger Auto T1. Coming in at a fraction of the price of most hardcovers, this tonneau cover has some basic features that go a long way toward creating a tight seal around the bed of a truck. It uses a marine-grade vinyl top. The exterior cover rolls up tightly to offer a lot of space possible in the bed. In its fully closed position, the cover straps down to the edges of the bed using Velcro straps. Like other soft covers, the T1 uses metal support rails that mount on the edges of the truck bed using supplied clamps and fasteners. As the sides of the covers attach to the Velcro straps on the support rails, the cover creates a good seal to keep water and dirt out, even in windy conditions. Best of all, the cover rolls up partially in case you need brief access to the entire bed. A large amount of snow can start to bother the cover's sealing, however. The weight of the snow on the cover can pull the cover, detaching the connection with the Velcro around the edges. As a result, it's common to see some snow or even water in the bed of the truck around the corners after a serious snowfall or a heavy rainfall. With that in mind, however, Tyger focuses on developing premium covers that meet or exceed OE quality standards with a no-hassle warranty. The Tyger T1 tonneau cover offers customized, sleek, and stylish design. This is a soft, rolling, and lockable tonneau cover that mounts on top of the truck bed rails. The best part about the Tyger T1 is that you don't need a drill for installation. Number 3. Tonno Pro LR1050 Lo-Roll. This is made of double-sided tear-immune black vinyl that rolls back smoothly, giving full access to the cargo in the bed of your truck. It boasts a no-drill installation and requires only a 17mm socket and ratchet and takes only about 25 minutes or so to install. The cover is fastened inside the bed rails, which is good if you wish to fit any other accessories. The modest styling is great for those who just want a simple cover that fits all trucks. If you don't drive around with a lot of work tools in the box or don't need much theft protection, the Tonno Pro LR1050 Lo-Roll is one of the best options for you. Number 2. North Mountain Soft Vinyl Roll-Up. Here's everything a soft tonneau cover should be. It can be easily attached to the flatbed of your pickup truck. And despite the sturdiness, it can be handily removed and stored away when not in use. It's a testament to the expertise of the North Mountain design team, and is one of the many examples why North Mountain so consistently trumps competing manufacturers. The top mount design of the North Mountain means it rests on the top of the truck bed rails, which makes for greater water runoff and minimizes the risk of rainfall penetrating the canvas. North Mountain is so confident in the quality of this tonneau cover that it offers a generous 3-year warranty with every purchase. This tonneau cover has a built-in crossbar design. adding strength and support to the top of the cover. The bars roll up easily with the cover, allowing instant truck bed access. If you don't want to break the bank with the most expensive tonneau cover, but would also like to avoid the cheapest model, the North Mountain Soft Vinyl Roll-Up Tonneau cover is the way to go for you. For just under $200, you get a soft tonneau cover that you can rely on for years to come, regardless of your local climate or the frequency in which you use it. Number 1. TruXedo Truxport. This roll-up cover lacks a lot of high-end features and more advanced options, but it does simplicity very, very well. It's manufactured of leather grain fabric. The cover itself sits above the bed and supplied rails that press down to the sides of the bed. The top-mounted design not only provides a good quality of waterproofing, but it also gives the cover and the truck a sharp look. Easy installation is where this cover beats the rest. It comes with a soft cover and foundation rails. The kit itself needs only about 30 minutes or so to clamp into place. Once installed, the cover does a good job of protecting from rain, snow, wind, and other weather elements that can cause damage to a truck bed's contents. The fit of the cover, however, can be a little rigid on a few truck models. For an excellent yet reasonable choice, check out the TruXedo Truxport soft cover. Its straightforward design and installation are hard to beat for first-time tonneau cover owners. If you want to save money while getting a good amount of weather protection, the Tyger Auto T1 cover is the best option for you. Let us know in the comments below which tonneau cover you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss our future videos, subscribe to the channel today. Hope to see you next time. Until then, see you guys later.